Hey guys, welcome to Casual Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing Nostalgia Retro Slush Drink Maker. I bought this for $74 on eBay. On Amazon they were much more expensive, but I'll try to find this version and post a link below. So this machine makes 32 ounces of beverage in 10 to 20 minutes. Easy flow dispensing spout, detachable cup, rest, and drip tray. So this tells you how to make. It says fill the non-stick canister with ice, salt, and water and place into the unit. Add your favorite sugar-based beverage and secure the top. Turn unit on and enjoy cold refreshing slush drink in 10 to 20 minutes. Let's get this unboxed. So here's the instructions. I'll read these in a bit. Ooh, nice. So that's it for that. This is the drip tray. So this is the blending chamber in here, and base, aluminum cylinder inside, and a mixing mechanism, which is the plastic piece. Have your drip chamber here. So to pour, you twist this to the right and it pours, and that's it. Here's the base, here's the chamber, the mixing chamber, and that's where your ice and slush go. And this comes apart, I believe. I'm gonna take this apart and wash it all. And where's the power cord? Oh cool, so it has a hidden power cord underneath. So the cord is conveniently hidden inside. But one thing I'm worried about is it smells like it's burnt. If you've ever smelled a burnt out device, that's what this smells like. I don't know if this has been used or not. It looks like it has, because these rubber pads are worn out. But we will see. Let me just try to turn this on and see if it works. Okay, it turns on. So on here you have two switches. One of them's dispense and the other one's freeze. So I guess for 20 minutes you're gonna freeze it, and then you're gonna hit dispense when you're ready to dispense. I'm gonna go wash these real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've washed everything and let's get this thing started. So what I'm gonna do is add the salt, water, and ice into this. So the way this works is the salt decreases the freezing temperature of the ice and basically makes everything else freeze around whatever it's spinning. You put the salt and ice in here and water, and basically you put your beverage outside and hopefully it will freeze. So let's try this thing. So I'm gonna put the salt in here, half a cup of salt. That's probably more than half a cup, but oh well. And then half a cup of water. And then ice. And let's start mixing. You can always add more ice later on if it's not freezing. But I just want to start mixing this so it starts. So now we'll add water where we're supposed to for our drink. And you can't use this without sugar. So you have to have some kind of sugar base, otherwise you'll break this thing because the water will crystallize into ice. So what I have is Slush Puppy mix. I got this for $30 on eBay, and by mistake, instead of a gallon, I bought 2 gallons. And I was wondering, like, why did I get 2 gallons? Because I clicked 2 instead of 1. So I have enough Slush Puppy mix for a year, or maybe 2 years. So let's put a little bit of this in. And this is my favorite one, Slush Puppy raspberry flavored base. It's delicious. If you grew up in the 90s, you probably know what slush puppies are, especially on the East Coast. They used to be around everywhere, and all of a sudden, poof, gone. I can't find them anywhere, so let's put some of this in. I'm not sure how much to put in, but we'll just start off with a little bit. That should be good, I think. Okay, let's turn this thing on. So we'll turn it on freeze. And I'm just gonna turn this up for a second. You can always add more ice if you feel like you have to. So I'll probably add a little more ice. So I'm gonna give this 20 minutes and I'll be back. I'll see how it works. Okay, so I think it's done. Let me try it out, see how it tastes. So I think it was done at like 15 minutes actually, but I just wanted to wait the full 20 minutes. So what we have to do is, there's a little knob here, or switch. You want to turn this switch to dispense, and we pour it. Try it out. The machine's pretty loud and it takes 20 minutes. I think I could have had this made in a blender in like 30 seconds, but let me try this. I haven't had a slush puppy in so long. Tastes just like slush puppy. Tastes delicious actually. But I don't know about all this. This is that's a lot of work. Is it a good machine? I think it's good. I mean, it's not, you know, it's plastic. It's not like it's the real thing where it's like metal and heavy duty. But overall, it works great. This is how it came out. Great consistency. And it tastes delicious. I just have to get the mixture right. I don't know if I put too much or not enough. I think, to me, it tastes perfect. So I like it. $74. Is it worth it? I don't know. It depends if you have if you party a lot. I think it's pretty cool, especially when it's hot out, summertime. But one thing, it does use a lot of salt. So I mean, half a cup of salt each time you use it. And how many drinks can you really get out of this? When I just poured one little drink and it was like this much. So I think you can get like 2 or 3 of these at most. Okay guys, so let me know what you think of this. Is it worth $74 and 20-minute wait, or could you just use a blender and make it in 30 seconds? I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.